Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking through an easy step-by-step guide on how to invest in S&P 500 on trading 212. So if you want to invest in S&P 500, here's a simple workaround for that. So the first step, which is your step 1, is to open the trading app on your phone and log into your account. Then step 2, you have to tap the invest tab at the bottom of the screen. Then step 3, you have to tap the search icon at the top and type in S&P 500. Then step 4, you will see several S&P 500 ETFs appear. For example, you can click the iShares Con S&P 500 ETF, or you can go with the Vanguard S&P 500 or the XPDR SP 500 ETFs, which is SPY5. Then just pick from any one of your choice. Then step 5, you have to tap on the ETFs you want to invest in to open its details page. Then the step 6, tap the buy button, then enter the amount you want to invest on the numbers of shares you want to buy. Then choose your order type, which is the market order for instant purchase or limit order for a set price. Then review your order, tap the review order and also buy to confirm. Then also, once processed, the ETF will appear in your portfolio under the invest tab. Then from there you can manage your investment, and that's how you can easily invest in S&P 500 on trading 212. Hope any video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.